Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nayla I'm from UIN Syarif Hidayatullah, Jakarta. I am going to express my opinion about mathematics in the science of calculating the Hijri calendar. Many aspects of human life, including astronomy and dating, rely heavily on mathematics. One example is the relationship between mathematics and the Hijri calendar. Mathematical calculations for the Hijri calendar have become an important feature of this calendar system. The Hijri calendar, commonly known as the Islamic calendar or lunar calendar, is based on the movement of the moon and sun and takes seasonal change into account. Mathematics is very important in the relationship between calendar calculation and astronomical phenomena. Let me explain why mathematics is so important in the calculation of the Hijri calendar. The first reason is that the Hijri calendar is based on the observation and precise calculation of time. Mathematics provide the tool needed to accurately calculate the length of lunar months and years, which are crucial for determining the start and end dates of major Islamic months and celebrations. Experts can calculate the exact time of the new moon and correctly anticipate the occurrence of religious celebrations such as Ramadan, al-Fitr, and al-Adha using mathematical formulas and complex astronomical data. Basically, the application of mathematical concepts uses two methods: in general and Islamically. In general, there are three calculation concepts: the calculation of the average synodic moon, the metonic cycle, and the intercalar. In Islam, there are three concepts: isbat, hisab, and hilal. The second reason mathematics contributes to resolving the intrinsic differences between the cycle of Shamsiyah and Qamariyah. The Qamariya cycle lasts about 3054.36 days, while the Shamsiyah cycle lasts about 3065.24 days. This distinction requires complex mathematical calculation to synchronize the Hijri calendar with the cycle of Shamsiyah, ensuring that Islamic activities occur in the right season. The skillful use of mathematical principles allow the intercalation of additional Qamariya cycles at specific intervals to maintain harmony between the Shamsiyah and Qamariya calendars. This cycle is what we'll use to determine certain times of worship on the Hijri calendar. The third reason math is important in determining astronomical events that correspond to important dates in Islam. Without the mathematical calculation of the Hijri calendar, it would be very difficult to predict important dates. Precise calculation using trigonometry, geometry, and celestial coordinates are used to ensure the alignment of the moon, sun, and earth so that the Hijri calendar can be accurately determined. This calculation ensures that Muslims can celebrate their religious holiday at the right time, aligning their worship with the movement of celestial bodies. As a result, I think we should recognize and honor the contribution of mathematics to calculating the Hijri calendar while acknowledging its impact on our religious tradition and cultural history. May we continue to cherish the timeless tradition and ensure its true observance for future generations. That's my recommendation about mathematics in the science of calculating the Hijri calendar. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.